Do you remember those researchers who won the Nobel Prize for discovering how our body protects itself from itself using regulatory T cells? One of those Nobel laureates, Shimon Sakaguchi and his team, just published 2 papers in Science showing 1, a method to make long-lasting Tregs, and 2, a proof of concept using this new method. I'm Chloe Kirk, science correspondent with Biotech TV. Let's dive into the science. So we left off with these head guards, these Tregs, that can identify our own cells from unwanted visitors. But the long-standing challenge has been how to make Tregs in bulk to treat autoimmune diseases, diseases that attack our own cells. Scientists have tried to make Tregs before, but they don't grow well in the lab and there aren't many naturally in our blood. The closest we've gotten is using CAR T cell therapy, genetically modifying T cells to include a specific protein or antigen that recognizes unwanted visitors. But these are expensive to make, time-consuming, and don't always work. Shimon and his team decided to work backwards, taking normal T cells and turning on that Treg linked gene we talked about last time, FOXP3. That by itself had limited success, but they found these new Tregs, or iTregs, lost FOXP3 expression in a couple days. So they found a recipe of signaling molecules to not only increase FOXP3 expression, but induce changes to maintain those Treg characteristics for longer. Testing on mice with gut inflammation, not only did these iTregs protect against inflammation immediately, but 6 weeks later, the cells were still expressing FOXP3. Then the team tested their strategy on a rare autoimmune disease, where the body attacks its own skin protein, DSG3, causing severe blistering. The team harvested tissue from mice engineered to make DSG3 targeted T cells, and then converted these to iTregs using Paper 1's method. They put these iTregs into mice with the autoimmune disease and were able to repress the skin blistering. Next steps are to test these in clinical trials to see if these iTregs are safe for humans.